Welcome to section 10 of Make My Seating Template. I hope you enjoyed the last 9 sections, and this 10th section we are going to see final allocation of students in the seating hall and in the main seating page. Let's create outline of the seating page here temporarily. So when you go to the hall design page, there you could find 4 columns and 6 rows. Now I am going to make the same 4 rows and 4 columns and 6 rows here. I hope this section will be very simple, using if there is some value in the first row, just comparing whether there is any value and just copying it directly from the table which is in the left side. So if there is some value in Q34, then it has to fill that place. Just drag it down. Next, copy the last row and we have to fill the column 3. So I am arranging in this wise that first column 1, next column 3, next 2 and next 4 one by one. So just copy it, and now coming to the column 3 equal to, paste it and replace 39 with the next one, that is 40. So it will start from the next number. Now enter and drag it down. So we have allocated all the 24 students in this particular hall. So total there were 24 and we have allocated 6 into 4, so 24 students here. Now copy it and paste the same to the next hall. So before doing that, let me make some format in the cells. Also make sure where you paste it, because if you change the location it will change the reference, so double check on it. When coming to the MPH, you cannot do it, you cannot paste it, because it consists of 300 students. So we want to make a separate arrangement for that. Make the formula as you done previously. Now we have done everything for the seating temp page. Now we are going to copy this directly to the seating page. And I think you guessed what you have to do next. So just equal to and go to the seating page, and for the first hall just select it, equal to, and enter. Now you can just drag it down throughout the column for 4 columns and through downwards for 6 columns, and you can format it as you wish. You can change the font, you can change the size, and you can do whatever you need in this page. And now go to print preview and let's see how our page looks when you take the print out. Go to file and click there, print, or you can directly press Ctrl P to do the same. When you press the print, it will show the print preview, but here it shows one extra page. When you see there, when you come to the 4th page, so we are done. Yes, we are right. So we have already set the print preview, therefore it is not a totally problem. So we have completed it for this seating page. Now let's go to the seating for the multi-purpose hall. And now let's go to the print preview again. Press Ctrl P, or you can go to file and press print. So here you can see the print preview. The whole page comes here, and here it shows the second page. So the second page is that is the place where we enter the details. So we need not to have this page. So here I'm going to set the print page layout. So go to page layout and set print area. So if I set the print area, now go to the Ctrl P and now go to the print preview, you can see there is only one page now. So there is no second page, and we have done it. So we have all done for our seating page. Let's enjoy it. And once again, happy shining with Shines Excel, and see you in the next video.